Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Bloomington Near University. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Quality Inn Bloomington Near University is conveniently located near downtown, just 2 miles from Indiana University Bloomington, the Memorial Stadium football field and the Assembly Hall Arena. This Bloomington hotel is close to area attractions including McCormick Creek State Park, Brown County State Park and Lake Monroe. Indianapolis International Airport is 1 hour away. Most rooms are non-smoking, and all rooms come equipped with coffee makers, hair dryers, microwaves and refrigerators. In addition, king rooms with spacious work desks and suites are available. Guest laundry facilities are located on the property for added convenience. Quality Inn Bloomington Near University provides guests with many full-service amenities, including free wireless high-speed internet access, free continental breakfast, free local calls, exercise room, indoor heated pool and hot tub. Business travelers will appreciate conveniences like the business center in the lobby, access to copy services and a free newspaper. Meeting space is available for a variety of functions. Visitors will enjoy shopping at the nearby Bloomington Antique Mall and College Mall. Bloomington's business and historic districts are also close by. A variety of restaurants and cocktail lounges are located in the area. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.